Here's one way to create a hot mess canvas. First, prep the canvas with a thin layer of Mod Podge and let dry. Next, use your cutting machine to cut out your stencil. And we're using a mandala letter from the Mandala Bundle 4.0. There's a link in the video description to check it out. Then cut out the stencil with adhesive vinyl like Oracal 651 and weed the design. And next you'll apply the stencil to the canvas, and using the hinge method is a very effective method to perfectly positioning it. Then apply a very thin layer of Mod Podge within the stencil and let that dry. And then you can take 3 or 4 paint colors and just randomly apply them in the stencil. And if you want, you can apply a thin layer of glitter while the paint is still wet. Let those paints dry and then remove the stencil. And to remove the inner pieces, use a sharp point to stab the vinyl and pull it up, but just be careful not to stab the canvas underneath. And then admire your handiwork.